For the last couple of years, me, my partner, our now toddler, my parents, and my brother have been spending Christmas together at our country house. We usually spend at least a week here, and I absolutely love it. It is so peaceful with the fire going in the stove. And just in general, since this is a little bit more remote, the location, it's so nice to be in this very relaxing atmosphere for the holidays. In this video, I'm sharing with you, like I did for our own apartment, how I am decorating this place. The style here is definitely a little bit different since this is a country house. I am using much more natural elements. Our Christmas tree is a live tree that we actually plant in our garden after each Christmas. They don't always last, but a lot of them do. So I'm also using things like dried oranges and paper decorations. For the tree, we have these straw decorations, things that naturally fit into this kind of environment. So I'll let you watch me decorate undisturbed. I wish you Merry Christmas, and I'll see you again very soon.
That time of year has come around again. Good on some but hard on others. Be kind and take care of each other. Now Not everyone has got a friend tonight.
It's the time of jingling bells and twinkling lights,
The time of buying everything in sight.
in the scurry of the lovers holding hands.
You're lucky if you have a friend tonight. While the ghost of Christmas present is in every tender heart, the ghost of Christmas past keep too many still apart. Since the ghost of Christmas coming is for none of us insured, for the ghost of Christmas present, we open up our door.
That time of year has come and gone again.
It was good on some, but hard on others. Be kind and take care of each other. Not everyone has got a friend tonight. While the ghost of Christmas present is in every tender heart, the ghost of Christmas past keep too many still apart. Since the ghost of Christmas coming is for none of us insured, for the ghost of Christmas present,